Salad, 0:10 to 1 o'clock, 0:10 to 0:20. First, let's get the romaine lettuce. Cut it into bigger pieces, like making a paper kite. 0:20 to 0:30. Put it in a bowl as if the salad also wants to find its place. 0:30 to 1 o'clock. Mix thoroughly so that all leaves fall into place. Preparing and grilling chicken breast, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock to 1:20. Now comes the chicken breast. Slice it into thin strips as if it were sushi, 1:20 to 1:40. Throw it in the pan and grill until golden brown. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Close-up of grilling, 1:40 to 2 o'clock. Flip it a few times like you're a professional chef. Add croutons, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock to 2:20. Now come the croutons. Sprinkle them on the salad like it's raining gold. 2:20 to 2:40. Don't be shy, use it a lot. Close-up of croutons, 2:40 to 3 o'clock. Let's add some crunchy texture to our salad. Add Parmesan, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock to 3:20. Now comes the Parmesan. Grate it liberally as if you were conjuring snow. 3:20 to 3:40. Don't save, the more the better. Close-up of Parmesan cheese on salad. 3:40 to 4 o'clock. Let's put a good amount of Parmesan on it. Making Caesar dressing, 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock to 4:20. Now let's make the Caesar dressing. Anchovies, egg yolk, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. This is where the magic comes in. 4:20 to 4:40. Mix well as if making a secret recipe. Mixing close-up. 4:40 to 5 o'clock. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix. Serving and finishing, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock to 5:20. Let's serve the salad. Place it nicely in the bowl as if it were a work of art. 5:20 to 5:40. Now comes the best part. Taste it with a big smile. 5:40 to 6 o'clock. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bon appetit. Thank you for cooking with us. Subscribe and like. See you next time.